I'm excited to get this video started, guys. I just got my bike in. Obviously, I haven't even opened it yet. Y'all gonna see it firsthand right when I open it. And let's get into it. Getting out the box right now. Let's start opening all this, huh? Oh, it came with a little tool set too. You didn't say that in the description. Pretty neat.
Trust this night you fall.
Let me add that this is in fact my first ever unboxing video. So I may be a little choppy here and there. The bars, they're already attached to the brake line and all that, so I can't really move them around all that much. So we're just gonna set it here. We're gonna start unwrapping the actual bike itself. It looks like it has some scuffs on it already. Get the tires off. Crank arm attached to the. Yes, sir.
If I'm not there with you, if I'm not there with you.
Here it is. I really like it. I'll bring it up a little bit closer to you guys. I still gotta pump the tires a little bit. It's really light. Yeah, it's really nice. I love it. I'm gonna pump up the tires, and then we're gonna get into a couple of tricks. Let's go. I'm about to do the 180, and I don't know, then probably a 360 tire tap. Then I guess that'll probably wrap up this video. So let's get it.